I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: power, cable, and enclosure. Plug the drive into a different USB port. Use a known good cable. Once done, open Device Manager, then Disk Management to see if the disk appears as unknown, offline, or unallocated. If the enclosure hides the drive, power down and consider removing it. Some controllers fail while the platter is fine. Make sure to work on a static-free surface. This prevents damage and lets you move to the next tool-driven steps quickly. You now scan for logical errors and recover data safely. First, create a disk image with DRescue. This preserves the original and lets you retry without added risk. Once you have an image, run read-only checks like chkdsk in Windows or fsckn in Linux to identify problems without writing. If partitions are missing, use testdisk to rebuild partition tables. If files are corrupted or deleted, run photo-rec to carve files from the image. Make sure to copy recovered files to a different drive to avoid overwriting. You finish by validating recovered data and restoring usability. Check file integrity and open representative files. Once satisfied, reformat the target drive and copy validated data back, or clone the healthy image to a new drive. If the disk still fails to mount, try another enclosure or connect via SATA directly. This isolates a bad USB controller. If you hear clicking, grinding, or get many read failures, stop and consult a professional recovery service. Attempting further DIY can make mechanical damage irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.